Presenting the Vibration Plate Gold from Medicarn, a small, easy-to-use vibration massage plate perfect for use in your home. The Vibration Plate Gold allows easy push-button remote control to get the desired effect. The Vibration Plate Gold offers up to 20 speeds of vibration control, full, simple remote control, and 3 pre-programmed settings. You can stand, sit, or kneel, or place your hands on the Vibration Plate Gold's vibrating platform. Our TV offer price includes the Vibration Plate Gold with remote control, power cords, and now our free Vibration Plate Gold Getting Started DVD to get you started. All from only £169 plus £9.95 delivery. Visit Medicarn.com to buy yours today. Medicarn would also like to present to you the Vibration Plate Gold Plus with support arms, remote control holder for even easier use. Like the Vibration Plate Gold, the Vibration Plate Gold Plus comes complete with power cords. The power cords simply clip on to the base of the Vibration Plate Gold Plus. The Vibration Plate Gold Plus also comes with wheels to make it easier to move around your home. So why wait? You can buy your Vibration Plate Gold Plus for only £189 plus £9.95 delivery. That's just £20 more than the basic Vibration Plate Gold. Visit Medicarn.com to buy or for more details.